In the previous video, we have seen theory part of packed array. In this video, we will see example of packed array. Okay. So before moving to the example, we will see that theory part. Just we will see the definition. A packed array represents its element as a contiguous set of bits. Okay. So the complete packed array can be treated as a single vector. Okay. Now we will see one by one example. So as you know, this is a module and this is the module name, and then we declared some packed array. Okay, so what are the packed array? This is one array, this is another, and this is third array. So total 3 array, we declared 3 packed array. Okay, till now you got it right, till this point. Now the size of the packed array is 8 bits, and the name is A. Similarly, name is B, size same. Data type is logic. Okay, and the result, we are having result. Now we will see first we will initialize all these array. We need to initialize, correct? So inside the initial begin, this is a procedural block, as you know. Inside that I am initializing. So this is 8-bit vector, right? 8-bit vector means we need to initialize 8-bit value. So this is 4-bit value and this is 4-bit value. So if you see in binary, in decimal or in hexadecimal, this is 5, right? And this is A because it is 10. So it is A, 8 plus 2, 10. Similarly, this is 3, 3. So it is 33 hexadecimal. In hexadecimal, this value. Now what we are doing, this is just a display. So this is not, it doesn't hold any meaning. Just to look good, I just use this. I just use like this. Okay, I just for the looking purpose. Just it is just a formatting, like you can call it as a formatting purpose. We are using that. See, this code you need to simulate. I am just explaining, but you need to type, you need to code, and then you need to simulate on where Questacim. Okay, then here I am printing this. What I am printing here? Packed array. Okay, so I am printing. So in this, if you see, I am printing this in binary format as well as hexa format. So in binary format you will get this. Okay, in binary format you will get this value. This value means you won't get a 8 tick B. You will get this value only. Okay, this 111010 this one you will get this value. You will get binary value. You will get in hexadecimal. You will get this. Okay, A5 like this. I am printing this second also. Now we will apply different operators. So till now we have not seen like I have not uploaded operators video. In a upcoming session I will cover separately operator videos. Okay, I will cover all the operators in a separate session. But for now, if you know little bit of operators from any other programming language, then that will be sufficient to understand this code. Okay, here there will be not that much of complex operator. Almost all operators are there, whatever you have studied in different programming language. So first we have arithmetic operator. So in arithmetic operator, as you know, right, plus, minus, all those things will be there. So here what I am doing, here I am, see here we're just printing, right? We are printing arithmetic operators. This line will be printed. Now what I am doing inside the result variable. So this is also a vector, right? 8-bit vector. I am what I am doing, I am adding and I am assigning. So what I am doing here, A is a bit vector, and I am adding, this is one operator, this is arithmetic operator, and I am adding with B. So 2 operand is there, 1 operator is there, and I am assigning whatever the sum will come, that I am assigning into result. So this, in this variable I am assigning. Okay, this is assignment operator, this one. Then I am printing. Okay, so you know, right, how you need to print. This is a format specifier. If you want to print in binary, then binary. If you want to print in decimal, you have to use D, %D. Then again I am subtracting, multiplication, division, modulo. So this modulo will give you the remainder. Okay, so in operator session we will see in a detailed manner this one, remainder operator, I mean modulo operator to calculate the remainder. Then we have a relational operator. So relation means it will establish the relation. Relation means it will compare. So in this you see, first what we are doing, we are see here we are comparing if A is greater than equals to B, not equals to, if greater than B. So in this is a one operator, greater than operator. This comes under relational operator. Then we have less than operator, greater than or equal to, and then less than or equal to. So this is what we are performing here, okay, on bit, on not bit, on bit vector. Now I told you, in this packed array you can perform any operations, any arithmetic or any operations, any operator you can use directly without using separate index. But when we go to this unpacked array, in that case we have to use index. We have to access the element using index. So indices we have to use. Then you have equality operator. So in this one you have case equality and logical equality. Now this is a logical equality, I will tell you in a operator session, and this is a case equality. Okay, so these two type of equality which we have. So it will check the, it will compare both are equal or not. That's what it will do. Then we have bitwise operator. Okay, so it will perform the operation on bitwise manner. So if you know the operators, that is fine. If you don't know, just code it, just use like this. Just what you have to do now, just see this code and type in your computer, type in your GBIM. Okay, that's what you have to do. Later we have a logical operator. So you know, and or logical, not, these are the logical operators. So I am doing here logical operator. Then we have a shift operator. Okay, so shift operator also you know from other programming language. This is left shift and this is right shift. So left shift will multiply and right shift, what it will do is it will divide. Then we have a shift operator using concatenation. So another method is there, another way is there, where what we have to do is we can shift the bit using concatenation operator. So we will see in a operator session in a good manner. For now just practice this. Then we have a replication operator. So this is what a replication operator look like. If I will explain means the video length will increase, so I don't want to introduce operator things in this array video. After array we will see the operators only. Then we have reduction operator, which is used to, what we are doing, we are, suppose you have a 8 bits, you want to convert into 1 bit using or, so you will do or and you will convert into like from 8 bit to 1 bit. Then you have part selection operator, bit select operator, all those operators are there. Just you need to go through once, and in a later session, in operator session, we will see all the operators. Then we have conditional operator. Okay, that is also called as ternary operator. Then we have increment and decrement. So in that also we have post increment and pre increment. All those things are there, you just need to go through. Okay, then later we will see here we can see one more example. So this is how, for the explanation, what you can how you can understand is, this is a, what is this, this is a array name, packed array name. This is a packed array data type, and this is the total size. So how you can think this size is, how it will look like this. Okay, this is a contiguous bit, so 0 to 7, total 8 bits. Now here I have given some explanation, you can go through that. The 8 bits are packed together as one vector. So you are packing all those bits and you are making one vector. Therefore when you do like this, so you will get a bit by bit end. So see, this is a value and this is another array, another packed array. If you do AND operation, means bit by bit operation will be performed. How bit by bit means, you see here, this is one 8-bit vector A and this is another 8-bit vector B. Now when you are going to perform the AND operation between them, then it will perform the AND bit by bit. So this is a LSB. Okay, this is the LSB and this is another LSB, this one. Okay, so in this you will perform this first, this one and this one. Okay, then you will get 1 as a result. Similarly 0 and 1, so here you will get 1, 0, again 1 and 0, so you will get 0. Like this you will get the result. Similarly you can do another operation, that is OR operation. So like that you can do all the operations. Okay, that is how you have to do. But when we will see unpacked array, at that time you have to use index to access a particular element, so particular variable. Okay, okay guys, bye. We will meet in a next video with another type of array, that is unpacked array. If you learn something from this video, then please like and please subscribe my channel for the further updates. Bye guys.